Hello friends, welcome back with another video. So in this video we will discuss about FMG quick revision 2019 June part 1. So let's get started. First question was drug of choice for MRSA. Methicillin resistance Staphylococcus aureus. So we know the here answer like vancomycin is a drugs of choice for VRSA, vancomycin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. But here correct answer is drugs of choice for nasal carrier of MRSA is mupirocin. Next one, vaccine given post splenectomy given protection from disease caused by. So here correct answer is Streptococcus pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza, Neisseria meningitidis. Next one, a child has chocolate pastry and got diarrhea within 3 hours of consumption. Which is most responsible for? Answer correct is Staphylococcus aureus. Next one, a 12-year-old girl with irritability, dry mouth and slow skin pinch. Next step of management. Correct answer here ringer lactate. Next one, which of the following is determining factor for severity of tetralogy of Fallot? So tetralogy of Fallot always with pulmonary stenosis. That's why correct answer pulmonary stenosis. Next one, most common cause of blindness in India. Answer is cataract. Next one, how much folic acid supplementation should be given in pregnancy? Correct answer here 400 microgram per day. Next one, a 27-year-old female with history of pelvic inflammatory disease. She is unable to conceive for last 6 months. What step is management is? Next one is, answer is hysterosalpingography. Next one, weight gain of female in pregnancy. Correct answer here 11 to 13 kg. How much is the sodium concentration in ORS as per WHO? Correct answer is 75 millimole. Next one, which of the following is not seen in tumor lysis syndrome? Answer is hypercalcemia. Here you can see the explanation. Tumor lysis syndrome, hypercalcemia, hyperphosphatemia, hypokalemia, hyperuricemia and increased blood urea nitrogen level. Next one, most common tumor of anterior mediastinum. Correct answer is thymoma. Next one, most common cancer metastasizing to brain. Correct answer lungs. Lucio phenomena is seen in. Answer is LL, non-nodular lepromatous leprosy. Next one, which of the anemia is seen in rheumatoid arthritis? So answer is normocytic normochromic anemia. What is the normal sperm concentration according to World Health Organization? Correct answer here 15 million per ml. Next one, deep parotid inflammation visible at which site? Below lower left ear. Next one, which of the following is most potent antioxidant? Correct answer here vitamin E. IV anesthesia which is used in a day care surgery. Answer is Propofol. Which test is done at sub-center during pregnancy? Correct answer is hemoglobin. Next one, how much population is covered under a PHC in plain area, public health center? So answer is 30,000, but it is normal, means average is 30,000 to 32,000. Next one, defect seen due to failure of closure of cranial neuropore. Answer is encephaly, or we can say this is the frog egg or frog head we can say. Sensitive and specific marker of MI, so of course troponin T and I is correct answer. Most common clinical features seen in prolactinoma next to galactoria, so correct answer here amenorrhea. Next one, which prostaglandin is not used in labor induction? Answer is PGF2 alpha. PGE2 and PGE1 are used. Which of the following is an abductor of hip joint? Answer is gluteus minimus. Next one, transport media for salmonella. Answer is buffered glycerol saline. Transport media of salmonella are buffered glycerol saline and Carey Blair medium. Next one, nasopharyngeal carcinoma cause deafness. Why? Answer is serous effusion, supportive otitis media and eustachian tube block. Next one, evisceration is removal of which coat of eye? So answer is middle and inner layer. Evisceration is removing all eye structure except sclera cell, outer layer and extraocular muscle. Next one, maximum content of vitamin A is found in. Answer is halibut liver oil. Next one, wrinkles encephalopathy is due to deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin B1. Next one, which of the following is WHO obesity index? Answer is Quetelet index. A confused patient was brought to emergency, open the eye with painful stimulation and extend the arm on unilateral side on needle prick. His GCS score will be, answer is 9. A female patient feels she has necrosed intestine. Which psychiatric illness she is suffering from? Answer is nihilistic delusion. Next one, which type of hepatitis which can cause chronicity? Hepatitis C. Next one, according to the World Health Organization, adolescence age is, answer is 10 to 19 years. The most common cause of PPH is postpartum hemorrhage is, answer is uterine atony. Next one, what type of blood is carried by umbilical artery? So deoxygenated blood from fetus to placenta. Most common affected site in Charcot joint is, answer is foot and ankle. Next one, cauvillar uterus is seen in which condition? So here you can see, answer abruptio placenta. Next one, testicular artery is a branch of, so testicular artery is a branch of abdominal aorta. Drugs of choice for Alzheimer's dementia is donepezil. Drugs of choice for neurogenic diabetes insipidus is desmopressin. Next one, which enzyme deficiency is seen in maple syrup urine disease? Answer is branch chain amino acid and alpha keto acid dehydrogenase. Next one, which of the following nodules seen in diabetic nephropathy? Answer is Kimmel-Steele-Wilson nodule. Next one, a girl came with slash on the area on a given picture, lost sensation in the medial half of palmar area. Which nerve is injury is suspected? So is ulnar nerve injury. Next one, what is the requirement of calorie in women during lactation in first 6 months? 600 calories is answer. Next one, progesterone act on which part of breast? Answer is duct. Next one, loss of migration of neural crest cells causes, answer Hirschsprung disease and megacolon. Next one, which of the following is not a pre-malignant condition? So here you can see this option: leukoplakia, erythroplakia, oral submucous fibrosis, epiphthos ulcer. Correct answer is epiphthos ulcer. Next one, which mosquito cause dengue? Answer is Aedes aegypti. What is the hip and pelvic ratio in male and female? Answer is 0:7 1. Insecticide of choice for Kala Azar is DDT. Last one, which of the following is an amplifier host of Japanese encephalitis? So is pig. Thank you.